Good morning, students. As you know, we are learning the agents of gradation, and I told you about the running water, which is an important agent of gradation. And today we will discuss about glacier and wind, about these both agents, which are also the agents of gradation. So like running water or river, moving ice or glacier is also an important agent of gradation. So what is the meaning of a glacier? It means the mass, or you can say block, of moving ice is called a glacier. And in India, you know where the glaciers are found? They are found on high altitudes of Himalayas where temperature is below the freezing point. Okay. Where are glaciers found in India? On high altitudes, or you can say the places which are on the height. So glaciers, or you can say moving ice, also erode loose particle or parts of rock with them and deposit them when it melts. Okay. How do glacier work? I repeat, like running water, moving ice also erode loose particles or parts of rock, and it take them along and deposit them behind when it melts. And there are two type of glaciers. First one is continental glacier and second is mountain glacier. This is the picture of continental glacier. So what are continental glaciers? Huge masses of ice which cover large area of a continent. They are called continental glacier, and the examples are Antarctica and Greenland. And what are mountain glaciers? The glaciers which occupy small area over the mountains, they are called mountain glaciers, like Siachen Glacier. And in India, Gangotri Glacier is the example of mountain glaciers. Okay, so how many type of glaciers are there? They are of two type, continental and mountain glacier. Next important agent of gradation is wind. In this picture, you can see there is very less vegetation and strong winds are blowing. Okay, so in the regions where there is little rainfall and less vegetation, there strong winds blow, and these strong winds take away the loose rock particle with them and deposit them at the another place. So in this way, wind is an also important agent of gradation, but you have to remember this action is most common in the desert region because very less vegetation is found in that areas. And the carried material, when deposited at a new place, whenever the speed of wind slow down, this form various type of sand dunes, as you are looking in this picture. This is the picture of a sand dune, and sand dunes are formed by wind. Okay, and this is the common agent of gradation in those areas where there is very less vegetation. And in India, sand dunes are commonly found in the western part of Rajasthan. Okay, so today we have discussed two agents. Which agents? Wind and glacier. You have to learn and write definition of both agents, and rest we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.